Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Steam error code E87. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. So you want to find your Steam icon and right click on it, go to properties. Now from here we want to copy this target, so right click on it and copy. Now exit out of this, open up your computer search and search for run, click on it. And right here we want to type the path. Leave a space and type /repair. So it looks like this. Now click on OK and this should hopefully load it up for you. If this doesn't work either, one more thing you can try is simply uninstalling the program. So go to add or remove programs. Here you want to search for Steam. You want to click on three dots and you want to click on uninstall. So after that, all we need to do is reinstall it from the official Steam website. So you can just Google Steam, download it again, and you will install it properly this time. So that's basically how you can fix Steam error code E87. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.